Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how I went out there and got my whole sort of workstation area fixed. So till a couple of months ago I was using a small wooden table. Like I used to have a study table back here, but then I got that removed because it was way too big and I just didn't need that anymore, after I got out of school. So then I was using like a normal wooden table, but then I realized I have no storage at all, and also I didn't have a vanity mirror and I really wanted one. So I went out and got this done over here, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did, where I got all this stuff from. I'm going to tell you all the pricing, everything in here. So if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. If you like the video, please be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, do all those wonderful things. And now without further ado, let's go to IKEA to get my table. I'm heading to IKEA, Navi Mumbai, with my cousin Mihika. You all have seen her before, and we're going to see if we can find something, because the carpenter who came next door, he quoted a relatively higher amount than what I've seen online on IKEA. Unfortunately, they don't have it in their warehouse to deliver, but they did say it's in store in the Navi Mumbai store itself. So I'm going to go there and check it out.
6.5 hours later.
Forgot to vlog the parts.
Which part?
The main part.
Yeah.
We have bought the table and I completely forgot to vlog the part where I actually bought the table. So it's like, it's two drawers, like two chests of drawers that we put together, and then there's like a big, like what do you call it, like a platform on top that forms the actual table. So we're getting it delivered tomorrow anyway, so I'll just show you all then. And
This is basically two drawers, like two chests of drawers, and then this is like this whole plank thing that you get on top of it. So in IKEA you can get various different dimensions. If I'm not wrong, this is the 200 cm by 60 cm one. So yes, it's a very long workstation and two people can very easily work here. I just personally love having a lot of space when I'm working, and that's why I think it was perfect. So Tarun was here in town when I got this, when it got delivered actually to my place. So he helped me. We sat down and we just built this whole thing up from scratch. It was just such a fun project to do, and this is what it looks like overall. I think in terms of the drawers also, it's got really good space. So like these two drawers are relatively smaller, but it just fits in. I'm not going to show you that, it's too messy, but it fits in, things that you need on a daily basis. And then these at the bottom are slightly bigger, so I just store all my makeup and other stuff over here. And then we just have the same thing right here. So this entire like setup, like this whole thing, the two drawers, this plank on top, and this danda that you have to have in the center, cost me about 15,490. But if you want, you can just get one chest of drawers, this plank thingy on top, and two of these dandas on the side, if you want to save on cost a little bit. So you can have a lot of like these combinations according to whatever you need. And I felt like it was such a good deal because I did try getting a similar table made from the carpenter who is currently working on my neighbor's house. He quoted something around 21k, and this I got for 15,490 with a lot more space, a lot more drawers. Like he was quoting that much for 3 drawers on each side, so that's a total of 6 drawers. I've got 10 drawers over here and a lot of space to work. Okay, so today I am going to go out and pick out my vanity mirror. So I want like maybe a square one with the bulbs. Like I know there are a lot of different kinds of mirrors you get out there with like LED lighting, like the strips of LED lighting already installed in it, but I don't feel like those give out the same vibe as the one with the bulbs, like the proper Hollywood studio kind of vanities. So I'm gonna go pick that out and I'm gonna take you with me. So let's go.
okay.
Basically, I went to this store near the station area here in Thane, and I saw this mirror, like not this exact mirror, but they had like a 2.5 feet, no, they had a 1.5 feet by 2 feet sort of a mirror. So it was very long this way and it didn't have much width. Their charges are, I think, 1,600 per square foot. So the one I have over here is like 2.5 by 2.5 because I wanted like a proper square mirror, and I think the size is really great. Like I could even do with maybe a, no, this is actually the perfect size. So I went ahead and got this, and this cost me a total of 9,300 rupees. And I know that sounds high, and the only reason I got it is because one of my friends was willing to chip in, and he said, you know, I have to get you a birthday gift anyway, so let me just contribute to this. So I paid a large portion of this by myself, and then my friend helped me sort of top that up, and I got this mirror. And I personally think it's like a one-time investment, but I'm going to put in an option for you guys that I myself was considering getting if I hadn't gone ahead with this, and that is, I found this mirror on IKEA for I think 2,000 bucks. It was 65 cm by 65 cm, that's the length and width of it. And these light bulbs that you see here, you can actually get like strips of 5 bulbs in IKEA for I think 17.90. So if you get, you know, just 2 strips instead of doing like a full you know, bulbs on all 4 sides, you can just do 2 strips on either side and have the mirror in the center, and that will not cost you more than 6k. So that's a great alternative if you feel like this is way too pricey. But the plus point of getting this particular mirror is that it has 3 different lights. So we have, I think, a warm white, a cool white, and we have like the yellow sort of tint to it. So that I really love, and also it has dimmers inbuilt. So I just sort of tap on that little power button there. I don't know if you can see it. If I just tap and hold it, it becomes dim, and then I can brighten it up as per my liking. So overall, I felt like this was a great deal. And I also did ask an electrician whether he could just get this made for me after I saw it in that store, and he said it's a relatively complex thing to make, and he said agar ready made mil raha hai madam to fir le lo. So I went ahead with it, but just in case you're interested and you don't really need all this dimmer and 3 different light settings and all of this fanciness, you can just go ahead and purchase these things from IKEA and set up your own vanity mirror. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed this entire process as much as I enjoyed filming it for y'all. And if you'd like to see more of such videos, please let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then please go ahead and do that. Like the video if you liked the video, and also hit the bell button so you never miss a video from me again. And yeah, that's about it. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.